जगह
Can be in another school again. District teacher. She doesn't even have concept.
असांजे घर में एडी पनिशमेंट नथियूं हलन मूंखे कोन्हे ख़बर
This used to be in school. Teacher
School.
used to be the
Still in school we see children who have broken hands even, and they are beaten by the teachers still. That's happening in Pakistan now.
मूंखे मोकिलो ऐं सही थी करे ॾियां All right, so we're gonna end this, and then we will open this up for question, answer, comments, anything you guys want to say to us, except Darka, we allowed one in hite. And poa samanga donation karnasi. So dar lokaba. Actually, Uncle Ajaz dar ban kari donation vathna na aw tanda dar kholan di aja. Mukhe dio donation. And then okay, so I just closing point, I just wanted to say that I think it's great that SYNA focuses a lot on youth, especially now. I think there's an awareness that if SYNA ke agya halana hai, then we have to focus on the youth, no more on you guys. I mean, you're cool, but it's us now. But what I do want to say is this is the Sindhi Association of North America. So please give equal, if not more focus to the Sindhi youth you have here. You give great scholarships to people in Sindh. We have Sindhi students here who are in need of money. Just because some parents made it to America doesn't mean the struggle's over. Sindhi youth here need money too to go to school, to do big things, and if SYNA sponsored them, that's wonderful. Because you have to give attention to what is here, and you have to nurture what is here and develop what is here, because then what is here will give back to you. So you give to us, it makes us realize that you are invested in us and we will invest in you, and that gap that exists between SYNA and SYNA will be gone. It's not going to be there anymore. So really, I insist in the future, anytime you're thinking about what you can do for the youth of Sindh, please also ask what you can do for the youth here. Because that is really, I think, what's going to help SYNA grow more than the youth in Sindh. And then I'm going to turn it over to Sabrina.
Basically, exactly what Becky said. There was a quote in that new movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan that I had pointed out. I had said it. When you go on an airplane, they say, put the oxygen mask on yourself before you put it on others. So we really, I think also, we were a little bit disappointed in the youth appearance this year. We expected more. I know a lot of you have children that didn't come, and we do all of this for them to come. I think one way we could really encourage people to come is if we offered something like that, if we helped our Sindhi Americans. So we would love to see that in the future. And also there's a bit of a generation gap that I talked to. There's a bit of a generation gap I talked to Uncle Waleed Sheikh with. There's an entire group, an entire age group that's missing. We have youth and we have our parents. And then in the middle, all the Sindhi kids that used to come and that were SYNA disappeared. So we would like to work with SYNA, work with Uncle Jamil and whoever else would like to work with us to encourage that group of young professionals, 30s to 40s, to begin coming first-generation Americans and all. We have like Homer Baloch, Nadeem Ghazi, all of them stopped coming. And we need to find out why, I think. Because what is going to happen, I'm not going to sit in these medical seminars until I'm 40. So we would like to be... I can't be a 35-year-old youth member. So thank you all for listening to us, and we're going to open it up for questions.
Run the mic.
I want to say something. Of all the SYNA things that I have been to me, this is the best part of it. I like to say the reason why SYNA was created for this. And I really wish that this started actually 40 years ago or 35 years ago. At least that's how old my children are. See, we are all Sindhis. We were born there, raised there. We know Sindhi, English, and everything. But this is what the SYNA is. To me, SYNA is reborn today. Everybody knows today. Today is the rebirth of SYNA. And today, for the first time, I feel that whether at least I'm here or not, the SYNA will continue. And I am announcing a scholarship, as long as I'm alive, for a SYNA, young SYNA member who also speaks perfect Sindhi.
Me.
Auntie,
Okay, Joe.
I believe I remember you were speaking one time a couple years ago, and you said that the idea of SYNA was developed in your kitchen.
Yes.
Yes. So that means a lot coming from you, really. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations to all of you. And you see, it will really give me ultimate pleasure when I see more and more Sindhi youth sitting like, this room should be filled with Sindhi youth.
I agree. Shout out to the youth that is sitting in this room. I see a couple of you. Auntie, Nalo.
Auntie Tanjo, full nalo. I for the record.
Munjo nalo hai Najma Anwar Memar.
Thank you, Auntie. Uncle Iqbal.
Baba Tawandi Vadi Mehrabani, we were so inspired by your leadership.
Thank you.
And I know this little cutie thing right there. Once upon a time, she was a big fan of my turkey dinner or something. So I think only yesterday, we were talking about something, that the time has come that we transition our leadership to you. Of course, transitions are sometimes, they cannot be rapid, but we have to be, SYNA is all about the mission. Now the mission is, as you can see, is the Sindhi Association of North America. That is the bond that pulls us together. So no matter what we do, how old we grow, how long we have been in this country, SYNA is only meaningful if there's an S before Ana. And that is Sindhi before Ana. So I think, and we're so proud to see you heading in that direction. So I think time has come. We should, together with you, our leadership, sit down with your leadership, and let us have a plan. How are we going to transition? It's starting from the next convention, because you have done a great job in terms of organizing this event. So I think we should learn from you. So I'm very proud.
Thank you.
I'm really, we are all proud. Thank you. Thank you for